Council, presiding over the session, will come up with their idea with regard to how to deliver the livelihood program that she promised to the city. And we will do that. I'm reaching out. I'm reaching out, and if there is a chance, of course. Why? You know, at the end of the day, they're going to be the citizen of the city, and I'm obliged to do service for them. And that is the job.
Yorme, dati nyo rin pong naging Vice Mayor si Dr. Hani Lacuna. So, she conceded already. You are asking, you actually said, she conceded already. She did. And then you are also calling for healing. So apart from this reaching out, will there be any other efforts to reach out exactly to her para talagang mas maging unified ang buong Maynila?
Thank you, Maurice, for asking me such a question. Yes, we are. Of course, I did it before. Many times. Even with former President Joseph Vera Estrada, even to the point Mayor Lim. In fact, not only that we reach out, may tinanong pa nga ako kay Mayor Lim yun paano mariresolve yung peace and order. Humingi pa ako ng tip. But in this case, of course, we will do so if we were allowed to be there. Anytime ako, alam mo, marami na akong baldog sa buhay. Marami na akong pakokang sa paa dahil sa pagkakagawa sa buhay. Maraming lapanan, marami na stumbling blocks. But at the end of the day, we should continue to value o pagpapahalaga sa nakaraan. At pagpapahalaga, hindi ito pagpapahalaga sa kinabukasan. Yes, I will.
Ano ang pakiramdam na magbabalik kayo sa Maynila?
Excited, but I know it's gonna be challenging because it's like doing it again. Parang but the people who are watching, sa ating mga kababayan, manatag kayo, I'll do my best.
So you're
bring back certainty, order, and cleanliness in our city.
You're expecting smooth transition.
I am. Well, that's what I did in the past. And even my predecessor. That's what they did. I think that's the norms. That's the normal way to do it. So that we can move on. Kasi, this is not about us anymore. It's about the people of people. So, if we really love our people that we owe to serve, I think that's the only way to start and begin the journey of the city of Manila and the people who live in the city.
How about your son, number 1 counselor?
Oo, type yung mga taga-Tondo Ni-request ko lang manalo Pero ginawa niyo pang I'm really grateful and happy for him. And I told him, ako anak, yari ka. Actually talagang now you're given a chance, you have to prove yourself.
Following your footsteps?
Well, I hope. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, anak, isa matutulungan kita kung paano pero hindi ko kayang itulong sa iyo kung paano magmalasakit sa tao. Because it is you as a person. In you. Innate. Ano naman, away yun Ano siya, ang puso rin niya Madali siyang matak sa sitwasyon ng tao. And I'm happy because that's a good start. Kasi if you're sympathetic, difficult ka sa atin. Sa tao, that's a good start of governance. Kasi lagi yan nahabulin ka about what is your purpose being in power. So I'm excited. Congratulations. Congratulations. Ayun, recto. Anan. kanto mo, kanto nila, lahat ng kanto rito sa Maynila, tampak talaga. I mean, total kapasama na ang kampanya. I'm not just being realistic. I'll do my best. I hope the two contractors or government connection will have a different approach under our administration. At hindi ako mangingimi kung ano man yung mangyayari sa kanila pag hindi sila because kapakanan ng taong bayan kung pinag-uusapan natin, hindi negosyo nito. Hindi sanidad ng tao. At ang sanidad ay issue ng mahirap, hindi naglas at mayaman. Dahil ang sanidad ay nagdudulot ang sakit at ang sakit na dulot ito, walang pinipilig na tayo ang sakit. So, they have to catch up under my watch. But for the meantime, I will let Mayor Hani Lacuna do her job for the remainder of, I think, 6 weeks. Kasi siya naman ang mga bata, huwag niyo muna akong message sa cancellation ng classes. Hindi pa po kung mayor-elect pa lang. Kasi marami ako na-receive na Yorme, may pasok pa bukas. Hello mga estudyante, mag-ingat kayo. I love you, I'll see you soon.
Okay, Vice Mayor. I-expect mo ba na ganun talaga yung matutuwa mo?
Bring back home people's lives. I didn't even think of anything. Hindi ko inisip na sa akin. Nabanan ko, natawa ko ang broken second last na nabalalakan sila kanila. So in terms of yung tanong mo, to answer that, to be honest, I did not expect it. I was just happy. It's a journey ko sa kampanya. And I'm happy because tapos ka na buhayan yung mga tao. So yun sa mga nasabi ko, kung sila magalaman, lalo yung mga inaak namin yun, gagawin natin.
Vice Mayor, majority po ng mga konsehal na nag-request back into other parties. How open are you as presiding officer to take all of these suggestions in so you can craft good ordinances para sa mga taga-Maynila? How open are you to brainstorming and getting various ideas regardless of party lines para makabuo kayo ng maayos na ordinances?
Councilor for the district. 2EC, Pamela Cuboso, Maine Atienza, Paul Sargal, Karen Chua, Captain Lau.
Pasensya na kayo, ginabi kayo. I'll see you. Thank you. Thank you for helping us. Look at this. Thank you. See you.